Today we will learn how to download and install Filmora 11 by Wondershare.
Firstly, uninstall the older version of Filmora, if you have any. Then, download the Filmora 11 from the link given in the description. Download exactly as I have done in the video. You will be redirected to a Mediafire download page. Please follow the mouse cursor. After download has been completed, go to the download folder on your computer and extract the Filmora downloaded file as I have done. Password has been provided in the description. Open Filmora 11 folder and right-click into the Filmora 64-bit full setup file, select Run as an administrator and click Yes in the dialog box. Read the read-only notepad file before further going. Let the setup file be installed properly. It will take about a minute. Till then, go to Windows Security Settings and turn off the protections. If you have an antivirus installed, turn it off before installing the patch file. Installation is complete. Now close the software if it's open. Then click on the patch folder and double-click on the patch file. Select the option where mouse cursor is going. Patch is done. Now Filmora is registered. Now go to Desktop and double-click on Filmora 11 icon to open the software. Select the new project. Now you are good to go. You can also download the effects for the same link given below. You will be again redirected to another link. You will find 8 files of Mediafire downloads. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.